like 100 years ago.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, honestly I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I do have some plans. I want to clean out my hall closet and maybe my closet, we'll see. I know with everyone being home, or most people being home right now, you guys probably tackling some more spring cleaning, decluttering, because honestly what else is there to do, really? So I've been decluttering closets. I decluttered my kids' closet, took out their summer and spring clothes out, and took out the clothes that they could not wear anymore. Once we can leave the house, I'll be able to donate, and then I'm going to sell a lot of their clothes. But I want to tackle two closets today. So this is my hall closet. I keep a lot of my toilet paper in here. Those two containers are empty, and I bought it like a month ago so I could organize this part right here. It's where I keep my towels and sheets and my vacuum cleaner. I forgot that I had another tripod. A lot of my hand soaps, I keep them here, which I normally have a lot more, but we've been cutting down on that. And then some stuff I need to declutter at the bottom. So what has been helping with this quarantine is tackling different jobs around the house. So I've been tackling different rooms one day at a time. I don't do it all at once because it could also become very overwhelming. But I have been doing a lot of decluttering and organizing, and it also gives me like this mental peace, if that makes sense, you know. So it definitely keeps me busy. One thing that I do notice is that sometimes I don't want to do or declutter a room or a closet or anything because I have this idea in my mind that it's going to take a really long time and I don't even know from where to start. But the hardest part is actually starting, because once you start, it's very hard to stop because you want to tackle the next thing.
Time is a thief. It works fast when you look away. What I'd give to go back there.
You guys, I think I just found a tarantula in my closet. Oh my god. Of course, one of those lovely things about spring and summer is the bugs, especially down here in the south. I have been seeing nothing but spiders and gnats and all kinds of stuff. It's already 90 degrees over here, y'all. So that's our spring. But this spider over here pretty much almost killed me. I smashed it a few times and it was still moving. So I go get the vacuum. I'm thinking I killed this thing. It did not have victory over me. And I go get the vacuum to suck it up, and it was gone. Luckily, I was able to find it, but it was still hopping around, still all smashed up and everything. So I got these two containers from Walmart over a month ago, and I don't think most of this stuff is gonna fit in there. I'm gonna have to even get rid of a few stuff that's looking kind of dingy. We'll see. I'm gonna try to bleach them to see if I can save them first. So I'm gonna try to get as much as I can fit it in here, but it's not like I could go to the store and get all the containers that I need. So I have to work with what I got. I get a lot of these hotel style towels from like Burlington, but a lot of them actually come from Costco. They had a sale and I grabbed a bunch of them because when guests come over, I always give them their own rags, and I keep some in the room they sleep in or whatever, and they could just grab one of those towels. So I got a lot of those. So when they get like really ugly, I just get rid of them. But the big towels, I get them also for either Sam's or Costco, because when they have their sale, like one of those big gigantic towels, and I'm not a small woman, so it actually wraps up around me, and they're super thick and they're good quality, so I prefer to get them from there.
A little closure from you. Tear me apart when I know you don't want me. 'Cause I've been going fast and you wanna go slowly. Maybe I'm just wasting time. Tell me how you feel. I don't wanna be your friend. I want something real. Maybe if I stay the night, you could feel the same. And maybe if you treat me right, we could rearrange.
So having them in the container looks a lot better. Sorry. It saves me a lot more space. As you can see, I have more space in there. So this is a lot of the hand towels, and I get a lot of these hotel style towels from Costco. They're pretty cheap, and I got some hand towels and stuff in this one. So now on to the next shelves. Oh, and by the way, I wanted to mention that these suction bags for storage, I get those from Dollar Tree, and all you got to do is just use your vacuum to suction the air out. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up because it helps my channel a ton, guys.
I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe, ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe, ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure from you. Think I might be over my troubles since you came around. Something struck me. Oh, lately I've been caught up in my mind. Oh, it's not hard to see why I was feeling down.
So this is what the closet looks like now. I feel like it looks a lot better in here. Maybe not as junk. Yep, I threw some stuff away, some stuff that was empty. So I'm going to put the Bizzle mop and vacuum back in there after I just finished vacuuming up the toilet. No, not the toilet. Y'all, I've been in the house too long. The hallway.
Might be over my troubles. Yeah, they've been there for so long.
So my plan was to actually donate this, but since I actually have the time and we're all at home, I think I might actually make the candles. I've had this over for 5 years, guys, and I haven't done nothing with it. But it comes with a little tiny thing in here. I can't really do much with this one, but I do have a lot of mason jars, so I think that's what I will be doing maybe this weekend. But I think I am gonna keep it and use it. Hey guys, so now it's the next day. Yesterday I did not finish filming because we were outside just having a good time. But now I'm about to get back to business. I'm gonna handle my chores early today so that we could be free and play. So I actually told my daughter that she could stay in her PJs. Look what she got on. She ain't trying to hear that. She loves to wear dresses. I've been trying to have the kids clean up their bathroom a lot more often so that it don't be looking as dirty, since now that they're home it does get a lot dirtier. So I don't really show this room as much because we don't really sleep in here, because this is my guest bedroom and the kids come in here to play the PlayStation and watch TV and stuff. So this room is toe up. A lot of the decor I bring in here. It's like a catch-all room, honestly, but I want to get this room clean, so this will be next. Right here I have a lot of my Easter stuff that I got from Dollar Tree about a month ago, and I used a lot of it to decorate and to make my wreaths. And this is where I keep my deco mesh to make wreaths. Look at this, guys. I have a huge mess here. All this stuff, this is where I keep all of my supplies and stuff. So I'm gonna get this room cleaned up, but so much I can do in here. I just finished cleaning out the kids' closets, mainly the boys' room. So that's what you see here are these bins. This one in particular though, let me show you guys. This is the clothes I'm going to be selling to a store here called Kid to Kid. My kids are fighting. Hold on, y'all. It's a store here called Kit to Kit, and this is where I'm going to be selling a lot of the clothes. So I just have it here for whenever I get the chance to actually take it to the store. But since I can't go anywhere, I will have to keep it in this bin for now. But let's get this room clean. I'm going to get these sheets all washed.
Friend of mine who saw you just the other day. Oh, I guess that you were back in town. It's been a long time since you've been around. Remember when we used to make the streets unsafe together, baby? We were young and foolish then. Oh, how I wish we could go back again. I've decided it's been too long, baby. Reaching out to touch your heart.
Comment down below and let me know what have you been tackling around your house. I would love to hear it. One of the benefits of us being home now, one thing we have been doing a lot more often is that we have been doing a lot more walks, guys, and I have been enjoying just the time that I am spending with my kids, especially this week now they're on spring break. We don't have to really worry about school. We're just chilling. We've been playing board games, watching tons of movies. Also, I think my kids are not getting ready to start binge watch one of their Disney shows or whatever. But we've been outside playing, going for walks, and I have actually been enjoying this time with them.
Oh, shout out that I love you, baby. Oh.
Now that it is spring, it is definitely pollen season. Our van is completely covered, front door, everything. I'm constantly wiping things down. The house has been getting a lot dustier with the pollen and everything, so I have to dust a lot more often.
Would you leave all bad things behind? I promise I won't mess things up like I did last time I saw you. I did a lot of things that I regret. Now I'm not playing hard to get. Oh, I decided it's been too long, baby. Reaching out to touch your heart. Hope for a maybe. I get a one-way ticket down to memory lane. There are two hearts beating. Just nothing will ever be the same. We had a chance, babe, to work it all out, but we blew it on our foolish pride. And now I wanna scream and shout.
I have been itching to make a wreath so bad. It's one of the things that I enjoy doing, but a lot of the deco mesh that I have is seasonal, and I'm ready to make my summer wreath. But I go online, a lot of the websites are on back order. The shipping is not gonna be for a long time, and not to mention I don't like to pay for shipping, y'all. Amazon Prime has spoiled me rotten because $9.99 for shipping for some deco mesh where I could buy 2 more rolls of deco mesh with that price. I do not like. So hopefully, obviously not for another month or so, I might not be able to go get the things that I need, or I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I am getting the itch to make a wreath again, and I've been wanting to make my summer wreath. I have a few ideas. I've been wanting to make a bumblebee wreath, a ladybug wreath, or a watermelon wreath. That would have been cool. Or like a multicolor summer wreath or a sunflower wreath. I have all these ideas in my mind. So when I look online, I don't find the things that I need. One website may have something while the other one doesn't, or their prices are really high right now. So I don't know, but I am itching to make a wreath, y'all.
I just wanna be the one. Saves the heat and maybe make a promise and make it through all our flaws, all our It's a cold embrace, ain't it? It's a big mistake to be falling back to the stuff we know will fail. Stole my thoughts for no given reason, none at all. No, it's not the way I planned. No, it's not the way I wanted. No, it's not the things I meant. Know that I'm not being honest. Not the way I wanted us to make sense. I just wanna be the one who loves you. I just wanna be the one. Face the heat and maybe make a promise and make it through all our flaws, 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 all our flaws. Hey.
So while the sheets and comforter were in the washing machine, I came downstairs to unload the dishwasher. This is one of the jobs I do not like to do, guys. I don't know what it is about me unloading things and having to put them away where they're supposed to go that bothers me. I just don't understand. Like, I love vacuuming and stuff, and I love wiping down counters and tables, but don't tell me nothing about no sweeping and unloading the dishwasher. I don't understand, but it had to get done because if not, I would have to wash the dishes by hand, which I have done many times before just so I don't have to unload the dishwasher.
And make it through all our flaws, 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 and make it through all our flaws, 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 all our flaws. I've been thinking about you. Oh yeah.
I hope you guys enjoy this cleaning motivation. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up because it helps my channel a ton. And remember, guys, we will get through this. I promise. See you on the next one. Bye.